Hey guys, happy Friday. I was just wanted to go over what you're doing today. So we are finishing up those 4 pages that you had on that Google Doc, and I just want to make sure you understand what to do with that. So I did post it. It says yesterday, but notice it's due today. If you go to your classwork, if you don't like just looking at the stream, if that kind of stresses you out, if you just click on classwork, you're going to see all of the things that, well, it'll let me do it. You're going to see all of the things that I've assigned to you, or the material I put on, all in the topic. So the topic is adding and subtracting integers. If you want to watch the news every day, the link's right there, and your warm-ups will always be here. And notice I've added a multiplication chart for you to be able to use. So just keep that in mind whenever you're, I know you have word, different academic classes doing things all differently. So today we are finishing up this assignment. Please do not use a calculator. And I do want to show you kind of what I'm talking about when I say to take a picture of it. Chloe did a really good job yesterday messaging me on GoGuardian, and what she did was she posted her work, and then I told her, okay, these are the ones you need to go back and look at. And then she posted her corrections. And then you can move on to the next page. Now, we are spending 2 days on this. That does not necessarily mean you're going to finish all of that work. Okay? So just spend class time from whatever class starts to whatever class ends doing the specific assignment. Okay? Your warm-up should be on, it is updated for Friday, so make sure when you finish your warm-up for the day, you post your picture of your work with it, and then turn that in, okay? Warm-ups are for me to just check and make sure you're practicing and practicing and practicing, okay? Warm-ups will not actually be a grade, but it is the practice that leads to where I take a grade. So on Monday, we're actually going to do an assignment for a grade. I like to teach something and then practice without penalty and then take a grade for it. So don't think that you shouldn't do things because it's not necessarily going to be a grade, because that's what preps you for the grade. Because I don't want to grade something and everybody do really bad on it because I just taught it. I want, when I grade something, it to be worthwhile and worth your time as well. So today, finishing your adding and subtracting integers Google Doc there. Again, I'll be on GoGuardian. Message me. You have to be on Google Chrome. Okay? We have to be on Google Chrome in order for you to message me, and that is how I'm taking attendance. Google Meet did not work for me. It was not, I don't know if it's my classroom not being able to do it, because Ms. Vaughn seems her Google Meet works great. So it may just be my classroom, it may just be my computer, but I feel like this way of me videoing and recording and sending it to you is just clearer and more precise. So hopefully this works out better for the long run. If you need anything, guys, email me, message me on GoGuardian during your class. If you want to try to set up a video chat during ELT, let me know. If you're like, I'm completely lost, I need to video chat you now during class, if I'm able to, I will try. Okay? So, hope you have a great Friday, and I'll talk to y'all later.